Welcome to the woodshop. My name's Alex. I'm a woodworker here in Austin, Texas. I've always loved the outdoors and loved hiking, and I recently began making wooden maps of the places that I love. I made the first design just as a passion project. Like, I love this place, and I wanted to make some kind of art. I did Enchanted Rock first. When I first go to a new park, I get the map, I look at it. One thing that I really love about whenever you look at a map, immediately you see both the shape of the space as well as the features that the person who made the map finds important. Really, I decide where I want to go based on what features I'm going to see, or like how long the trail is, what I'm feeling. I always find it really rejuvenating to get out on the weekends for several hours and go hike a trail. And I've always been connected to the great names that are kind of attached to a lot of the different parts of the parks. The Enchanted Rock itself, Turkey Peak, Buzzard's Roost, Frog Pond. They've all got like cool names too. We're gonna pull up our design here. We're gonna make a map of Enchanted Rock.
First step is to fire up the laser.
All of the designs that I've made so far are places in which I've spent a lot of time. They're places I know really well. Parks like Enchanted Rock, you go there and, obviously the most striking features are the giant rocks that you're going to. I kind of called those out. Right now I'm cutting out a big piece of masking tape, and I'm going to put it over the design that we've just etched so that we can cut out the exact shape of the park and paint it on there. That's another part of what I kind of consider whenever I'm coming up with a new design is this feature important to someone who knows the area and has spent time there? And also, how does it look as it's laid out, on the physical layout of the map itself? Is that feeling that you get from looking at the whole map, is that the feeling that I connect with that space? And that's how I kind of see if the final design stays true to what I'm trying to do. I think most people are lying if they say that they came up with a plan of why they were doing what they were doing. I think most of the time you want to do something, so you do it, and then maybe you notice a pattern in what you've been doing and kind of mentally try to break it down from there about maybe what your motivations were, even if you didn't know what they were when you started. That's definitely the case for me, so I'm still kind of analyzing why I'm doing what I'm doing.